Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload any file directly from your computer straight into your Google Drive. So first, let me show you something. If I open up my File Explorer, let me move this over to the next screen and go down to this PC. You will see that I have Google Drive installed on my computer. And if I open this folder here, you will see that I have a My Drive. And if I open that, you will see all my folders and files there directly that is in my Google Drive. Now, in order to add any file or upload any folder or file directly to Google Drive, to do this is very easy. I'm going to open up a second File Explorer here. So let me go ahead and open up File Explorer, and I'm going to move this one here, and I'm going to put them side by side so that you can see what's going on here. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna simple find a file. So let's say I go to my downloads and I have a video here, right? So this video is just basically of a guy, doing whatever, right? Now, in order to add this into my Google Drive directly from my computer, I just need to upload that file here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly create a folder. Let's say I'm going to quickly create a new folder and I'm going to call it test and just add that video inside this folder. So I'm going to open up this folder here and just drag this here into this folder. And that's it. Now, to show you that it's actually working, let me go ahead and open up my Google Drive. So I'm going to open up a new window here and let's head over to Google Drive. And you will see that I have the test folder. As you can see right here, it shows the folder here directly. So I can go ahead and I can go to my drive and you can see that I have this folder called test. You can see the timing works out. So it's 6 minutes after 2 and it's just 5 minutes there. So if I open this and here you can see that same exact video file here that I uploaded to my computer. Now you might be wondering how I managed to get this Google Drive onto my File Explorer here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get that onto your computer as well, so that you have a C drive and you have a Google Drive. It's very easy. Now, you may or may not see a pop-up on the lower left hand side that says get Google Drive on desktop. If you see that, you can simply click the download and you will be able to install Google Drive directly on your computer. However, if you don't, you just need to look on the upper left hand side and you will find computers. So if you click on computers, you can simply click and learn more, and this will take you over to the page where you can install Google Drive directly on your Windows or Mac. So you can click the drop down and click the download and install, or download for Windows, and you can simply do it for Mac as well. And once you do that, you just follow the installation process, guys, and you'll be able to have Google Drive on your computer directly. So you don't have to open up your browser anymore. You can simply go ahead and open up Google Drive and just open the My Drive and just upload your files directly from your computer. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.